on board the drop pod, team. Mission is ready.
Keep it coming, Lloyd! Pots of gold! Who bloody thinks we look like that? Easily the best beer I've had since coming out here. Pointy-eared leaf lover. Yeah! Let's shake, rattle, and roll.
Yeah. Never felt better.
Like that! Yeah! Rock and stone!
This is a simple mining mission. Deposit your quota of morkite into the mule, and we'll send a drop pod to get you out. Good luck.
Help me mine this.
Need some free space. I can't carry anymore.
I'm getting too old for this crap.
I have to make a deposit.
My grandpa told me they used real mules back in the day, keeping up the tradition.
Follow me.
Good times.
Molly is on the way.
Worthless, but fun to destroy. Here, have some extinction.
I've got a zip line ready here. So long, suckers!
Go! Get to work! Flares ain't ready! Bam! What kind of fiendish technology makes Molly constantly get in the way?
Blow it up, Bosco! Move your tin ass over here and hurry, please.
Think you can kill me? Well, think again. I got the Glyphid Praetorian. Ah!
Whoopsie doopsie.
Come here. useless but fun to destroy. Die!
Consider this. Legally speaking, rocking is more legal than stoning. Eh? Eh?
Bosco, line it!
Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all day.
Wait! What is the difference between rock and stone?
Flares, recharging. Go! Get to work!
Can't carry anymore. I need the mule right here, right now. Deposit time!
Pow!
Inventory is full.
Mining is hard work. Good thing we're dwarves.
I need to deposit in the mule.
Bloody McTerrors are onto you, team. Best dig in and get ready.
Gotta wait for the recharge.
Airborne hostiles incoming.
Shield! Shield's ready again. Bosco, find it! Stand your ground! Give no quarter! Follow me, Bosco! Where is that damn tin? I need a rocket here!
I'm full. Heading to the mule.
Bam!
You're almost through the wave, team. Go, go!
Had a credit for every time I deposited. I would be a rich dwarf. Suck on this, you friggin'
I got the
nature.
deposit. Maybe we're not gonna die after all. Rock seriously need to invest in some better equipment.
Stay down, Stinky.
We order a supply drop like really soon. Depositing minerals.
Bam!
Ugh, never felt better. I got it! Donkey, come here! I'm totally loaded! Booyah! That's it! Bag's full.
Secondary objective completed. Make it home to collect your bonus. Objective complete. Nicely done. Return button on the mule has been activated.
Find Molly!
Got no flares ready.
I called for Molly.
Your ride home is on the way. Drop pod inbound. Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Fire! Rock and stone. Die, worthless crystal.
Let's head for the door.
Have to wait for flare recharge.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Booyah!
Go, go, go! Drop pod isn't waiting forever!
Bosco, what is that? Squash him!
Supply pod requisitioned. Launching now. The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Libra Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you.
Guys, we got...
That's one for the books. Retrieving escape pod.